To get started, I just added a video clip with some audio that I'd like to fade out to my timeline. Let's begin by positioning the time marker near the end of the audio clip and dragging the plus slider to zoom in on the audio. Then go up to the effects library. Under the toolbox, select Audio Transitions. Then drag Crossfade -3 dB onto the end of your audio clip. Drag its end to increase the duration of the fade. And now when I play this back, my audio fades out. To fade in audio, just go to the beginning of your audio and drag the crossfade plus dB onto the start of your audio clip. Adding the fades to audio can be finicky sometimes, so just drag it around until you see the transition. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.